officials are requested to take their positions. Look at them go, a picture of grace and power. The crowd is on its feet as these young athletes stormed on the track.
सर
Put your hands together. What a display of talent and determination. Here they come, nearing a finishing line. Let's give them a huge round of applause. Moving on to the 200 meters race, CL category girls. Let's witness another spectacular race. This is the final call for the event 200 meters race CL category girls. Participants, please ensure you are ready at the starting line and the officials are requested to take their positions. It's now the time for the senior girls to take the center stage in the 200 meters race. This promises to be an accelerated event. The passion is off to a flying start. Look at the pace and speed as the crowd down the track. The crowd is buzzing with this excitement.
You have the result for the 200 meters 7 to 9 girls. The third position was secured by Kushi from Nilgiri House. The second position was secured by Yuvanika from Shivalik House. And finally, the first position was secured by Ankita Raj from Aradli House.
Next event, 200 meters race, senior category boys.
The participants of the event are Ayushman Tiwari and Yogesh Kumar from Aradli House, Agastya J and Vansh Verma from Vindhyanchal House, Manas Indrajani from Nilgiri House, and finally, Harshil Chaudhary and Shaurya Patwari from Shivalik House.
We now have the senior boys stepping up for the 200 meters race. These athletes bring experience and strategy to the track. The starting whistle was blown and they are moving. Look at the power in their stride. The competition is steady and the determination in their feet inspired for the event 200 meters race junior category boys. Participants, please ensure you are ready at the starting line. Set for the junior boys 200 meters race. The athletes are at the starting line, focused and ready. Both men sprint with determination towards victory. It's a close contest as there is the finish line and we have a winner. Congratulations to all the contestants. To begin with, we have the event shoe and socks race for junior classes.
Simultaneously, I request the participants of recreational race 2 shoe and socks race class 6 to be ready. The event will begin just after shoe and socks race class 5.
The powerful start from the runners, laughter and cheer say it all. This is a pure joy and on the who will be the quickest to put their shoes and socks on. Finally, for the event shoe and socks race class 6. Participants, please ensure you are ready at the starting point. sport joy on the field. Who will be the quickest to put their shoes and socks on? The first ones are almost done. What a delightful event. A big hand for all our participants. The final call for the event mathematical race.
Yeah.
Class 5th participants, please ensure you are ready at the starting point. Wow, what a start.
एपी का बेटा है ना इसलिए खड़ा है।
Our next recreational event is the mathematical race class 6. We have the result of shoe and socks race class 6. The third position is secured by Ivan, second position is grabbed by Aryan Sheikh and first position is grabbed by Maulik Kothari.
हर्डल के बाहर है वो, हर्डल के बाहर है।
The next event is hurdle race for class 5. Rules of obstacle race. Participants must navigate a course with hurdles. They must completely cross over each hurdle. Going around or under is not allowed. Rule 2. Participants must follow the designated path of the obstacle course. Skipping obstacles will result in disqualification. First call for the recreational race, hurdle race class 6. And here we go. What a wonderful performance.
We have the results for hurdle race class 5th. The third position was secured by Jay Yadav. The second position was achieved by Hardik Nuvodia. And finally, the first position was bagged by Shivesh Mishra.
Next event, 100 meters race, boys junior category, class 5th 6. This is the final call for the event 100 meters race, boys. And here is the result of 100 race class 6. The third position is grabbed by Monish Mullah. And the second position is grabbed by Maulik Kothari. First position is bagged by Samar Khan.
All participants of 100 meters race, girls 7 to 9 category, this is your second call. Kindly assemble at the starting line immediately and the officials are requested to take their positions. Simultaneously, I request the participants of 100 meters race senior category 10 to 12 boys to be ready. The event will begin just after 100 meters race, girls 7 to 9 category.
This is the final call for the event 100 meters race 7 to 9 category girls. Participants, please ensure you are ready at the starting point.
Wait, boys.
All the students are requested to go to their respective enclosures.
We have 100 meters race 10 to 12 category boys.
नहीं इस तरफ आ जाएंगे इधर है ना वो रेस देखने के चक्कर में तो रिबन पे रख के कैमरा
For the event 100 meters senior girls. To begin with, we have Spider Race Class 5th.
Here we have Spider Race. Now we have Spider Race Class 6 Batch 1. This is the final call for the event Spider Race Class 6 Batch 1. And here we go. We have Spider Race Class 6 Batch 2. This is the final call for the event Spider Race Class 6 Batch 2. Participants, please ensure you are ready at the starting points. And here we go.
Audience, please put your hands together.
Participants must keep their hands behind their backs while running towards the hanging jalebi. They must stop and eat the jalebi and then proceed to finish the line.
पूरी चीज खराब है तू आगे हमने नहीं अभी कुछ पूरी तरह नहीं खा रहा है अरे कुछ देर खाता
This is the final call for the 4 into 100 meters relay race 7 to 9 points. Participants, please ensure you are ready at the starting.
Participants are requested to report at the starting. Participants of 100 meters race for administrative staff are Vikram Singh, Ashok Sharma, Vikas Singh, Ashok Sharma, huge round of applause for both the teams for their spirit and effort.
Ladies and gentlemen, we now move to the much awaited award ceremony. This is the moment to celebrate the hard work, dedication and achievements of our talented athletes. All winners as per sequence are requested to fall in to be honored with medals and house in charges, and teachers are requested to guide their house members. The first is the result of long jump from 5th to 6th boys. The third position is bagged by Monish Mundra of Nilgiri House. The second position is bagged by Maulik Kothari of Vindhyachal House. And the first position is bagged by Samar Khan of Shivalik House. I request Principal Sir to do the honours. Please give them a huge round of applause. Now we have the results for the junior category long jump boys. The third position is bagged by Ayush Chaudhary of Vindhyachal House. The second position is bagged by Sunny Chaudhary of Nilgiri House. And the first position is bagged by Ayush Sharma of Nilgiri House. Next we have the results for the long jump of senior category, junior category girls. Third position goes to Anushka Putra of Aravali House. Second position goes to Janvi Putra of Shivalik House. And the first position goes to Kushi Naradania of Nilgiri House. Now we have the results for senior category long jump boys. The third position is bagged by Vedant Bora of Aravali House. The second position is by Pravesh Singh Ranawat of Nilgiri House. The first position is by Agastya Jain of Vindhyachal House. Now we have the results for long jump senior girls. The third position is bagged by Ananya Jain of Shivalik House. The second position is bagged by Hitanshi Goyal of Nilgiri House. The first position is bagged by Rishti Chauhan of Shivalik House. Next is the announcement for shot put throw of junior boys. The third position is bagged by Chirag Chanchalani of Shivalik House. The second position is bagged by Apurva Shukla of Aravali House. And the first position is bagged by Rudran Gangadia of Vindhyachal House. Now for senior category boys shot put throw. The third position is bagged by Pravesh Singh Ranawat of Nilgiri House. The second position is bagged by Parth Maheshwari of Nilgiri House. And the first position is bagged by Nakshatra Kamra of Shivalik House. Now for shot put throw for senior girls. The third position is bagged by Ananya Saraf of Aravali House. The second position is bagged by Ashtika Bishnoi of Shivalik House. The first position is bagged by Mimansha Vashisht of Nilgiri House. Now the results for shot put throw for junior girls. The third position is bagged by Samriddhi Gupta of Nilgiri House. The second position is bagged by Riddhi Gupta of Shivalik House. The first position is bagged by Zoya Bhinder of Shivalik House. Next is the announcement for discus throw junior boys. Third position is bagged by Vasudek Katuria of Vindhyachal House. Second position is bagged by Devdak Sharma of Nilgiri House. And first position is bagged by Chirag Chanchalani of Shivalik House. Please put your hands together for all the winners. position is backed by Zoya Bhinder of Shivalik House. And the first position is backed by Samriddhi Gupta of Nilgiri House. Now is the category of discus throw for senior boys. The third position is backed by Aditya Jevalia of Vindhanchal House. The second position is by Krishnapal of Vindhanchal House. The first position is by Nakshatra Kabra of Shivalik House. Next is the category of discus throw for senior girls. The third position is by Ashtika Bishnoi of Shivalik House. The second position is by Niharika Rajawat of Nilgiri House. The first position is by Amanat Abdullah of Vindhanchal House. Now is the category of javelin throw for senior boys. The third position is secured by Pravesh Singh Ranawat of Nilgiri House. The second position is grabbed by Ijay Raj Singh Hata of Nilgiri House. The first position is backed by Anwar Ansari of Shivalik House. Next is the result of javelin throw by the senior girls. The third position is backed by Mahi Jain of Aravali House. The second position goes to Arya Jeff of Aravali House. The first position goes to Amanat Abdullah of Vindhanchal House. Please put your hands together for all the winners. Next is the result of 400-meter junior boys. The third position goes to Jairas Chikit Charan of Nilgiri House. The second position is backed by Vikas Chaudhary of Aravali House. And the first position is backed by Ayush Sharma of Nilgiri House. Next is the result for 400-meter race senior boys. Third position is backed by Shubh Jain of Nilgiri House. The second position is backed by Ayushman Tiwari of Aravali House. And the first position is backed by Yogesh Kumar of Aravali House.
Now for the category of 200-meter junior girls, the third position goes to Khushi from Nilgiri House. The second position goes to Yuvanika from Shivalik House. And the first position is secured by Ankita Raj of Aravali House. For 200-meter senior girls, the third position is secured by Amanat Abdullah of Vindhanchal House. The second position goes to Hitanshi Goyal of Nilgiri House. And the first position goes to Drishti Chauhan of Shivalik House. For 200 meters senior boys, the third position is secured by Manas Hemrajani of Nilgiri House. The second position goes to Agastya Jeff of Vindhanchal House. And the first position goes to Yogesh Kumar from Aravali House. For the category of 200-meter junior boys, the third position is backed by Ayush Sharma of Nilgiri House. The second position goes to Ayush Chaudhary of Vindhanchal House. And the first position is backed by Vikas Chaudhary of Aravali House.
For shoe and socks race for class 5th. The third position is backed by Rajveer Shehrawat. The second position is bagged by Jayesh Sharma. And the first position is bagged by Bhaumik Sharma. Now is the result of shoe and socks race for class 6. The third position is bagged by Vivan. Third position is bagged by Vivan Poddar. The second position is by Aryan Sheikh, and the first position is by Maulik Kothari. The result of mathematical race for class 5th, and to do the honors I would like to invite the house in charge of Aravali House, Mr. Masneesh Siddha. The first position is bagged by Hardik Nimodia and the second position is by Pashwa Patel. Next is the mathematical race of class 6. The first position is secured by Tanmay Dalmia. I would like to invite the house in charge of Nilgiri House, Mr. Girish Hemrajani. The winners are, the third position is bagged by Jay Yadav, the second position is bagged by Hardik Nimodia, and the first position is bagged by Shivesh Mishra. Now for hurdle race for class 6, the third position is bagged by Monish Mundra, the second position by Maulik Kothari, and the first position by Samar Khan.
To honor the winners of 100-meter race, I would like to call Ms. Manisha Gaur ma'am. I would like to call Ms. Manisha Gaur ma'am of Vinyanchal House. in category of 100 meter, class 5th to 6th. The third position is bagged by Monish Mundra of Nilgiri House. The second position goes to Maulik Kothari of Vinyachal House. And the first position goes to Samar Khan of Shivalik House. For 100 meter, 7 to 9 boys, the third position goes to Krishav of Nilgiri House. The second position goes to Vikas Chaudhary of Aravali House. And the first position is bagged by Rudransh Gangaria of Vinyachal House. For 100 meter, class 7 to 9 girls, the third position goes to Samriddhi Gupta of Nilgiri House. The second position is bagged by Yuvanika of Shivalik House. And the first position goes to Ankita Raj of Aravali House. Category of 100 meter, class 10 to 12 boys, the third position is bagged by Agastya Jeff of Vinyachal House. The second position goes to Shubh Jain of Nilgiri House. And the first position goes to Yogesh Kumar of Aravali House. For 100 meter, class 10 to 12 girls, the third position goes to Arya Jeff of Aravali House. The second position goes to Hitanshi Goyal of Nilgiri House. And the first position is bagged by Drishti Chauhan of Shivalik House.
Now to honor the students who won in the spider race, I would like to call upon the house in charge of Shivalik House, Mr. Ashok Maru. For class 5th, the third position is bagged by Pashwa Patel and Sajid Patel. The second position is bagged by Bhaumik Sharma and Jayesh Sharma. And the first position is bagged by Hardik Nimodia and Shivesh Mishra. From class 6, batch number 1, the third position is bagged by Tanay Dalmia and Chanakya Pandit. The second position is bagged by Virat Narula and Aryan Chaudhary. And the first position is bagged by Samarjeet and Maulik Kothari. For batch 2 from class 6, the third position is bagged by Dhairya Tak and Hardik Grover. The second position is bagged by Akshat Nair and Aryan Sheikh. The first position is bagged by Samar Khan and Monish Mundra.
सर थोड़ा सा क्लोज आइए ना सर। थैंक यू। बॉयज
To honor the winners of Jalebi race, I would like to invite Ms. Babli Sinha ma'am. The third position is bagged by Arnav Siddha, the second position by Aditya Jain, and the first position by Aradhya Mishra of class 5th. From class 6, the first position is bagged by Dhairya and the second position is bagged by Yami Jain.
Now, here's the announcement of 4 into 100 meter relay. For the junior category boys, the third position is bagged by Aravali House, and the participants are Vikas Chaudhary, Pulkit Tirwewal, Anurag Chaudhary, and Prince Chanchalani. The second position is bagged by Vindhyachal House, and the winners are Rudransh Gangadia, Ryansh Jain, Ankit Saharan, and Ayush Chaudhary. For 4 into 100 meter relay girls, junior category, the third position is bagged by Vindhyachal House, and the winners are Sadhna Chaudhary, Aradhya Tiwari, Naisha Porwal, and Priyanshi Rathi. The second position is bagged by Nilgiri House, and the winners are Prapti Bajaj, Khushi, Samriddhi Gupta, and Sia Patel. The first position goes to Shivalik House, and the winners are Yuvanika, Zoya Bindar, Vritti Gupta, and Janvi Bhutra. For 4 into 100 meter senior category boys, the third position is bagged by Shivalik House. The winners are Shivansh Guha, Sumit Chaudhary, Anwar Ansari, and Kaushal Bishnoi. The second position is bagged by Nilgiri House, and the winners are Manas Hemrajani, Priyesh Charan, Shubh Jain, and Pravesh Singh Ranawat. The first position is bagged by Aravali House, and the winners are Ayushman Tiwari, Yogesh Kumar, Vedansh Bora, and Tanmay Jain. In the category of 4 into 100 meter senior girls relay, the third position is bagged by Vindhyachal House, and the winners are Ruchika Somani, Amanat Abdullah, Astha Tiwari, and Rihanna Mishra. The second position goes to Nilgiri House, and the winners are Hitanshi Goyal, Ananya Iyer, Niharika Rajawat, and Adyashri Mishra. The first position goes to Aravali House, and the winners are Arya Jain, Mahi Jain, Bhavani Joshi, and Angel Khandelwal.
ट्रांजिशन में कितना टाइम लग
It's time to honor the spirit of excellence and dedication in the field of sports. Today, we recognize the students who made outstanding contributions and brought pride to our institution through their exceptional performance and commitment to sportsmanship.
For Excellence Award, first I call upon Master Drona Yadav from Class 7 for Best Table Tennis Player in the Junior category. Next, I call upon Master Shivam Verma of Class 10 for Skating Under 17 State Player.
पीछे हो जाओ बेटा, पीछे हो जाओ। सामने देखो। ये कब से रखने लगे हैं?
Here's the announcement for the Excellency Award. I would like to call upon Master Pranjal Charan of Class 12 for Basketball Under 17 State Player. I call upon Master Drona Yadav and Master Shivam Verma. Next, I call upon Master Ashwin Kabra from Class 12 for Volleyball Under 19 State Player. Next, I call upon Master Om Hansalia of Class 12 for Volleyball Under 19 State Player. Next, I call upon Ms. Niharika Rajavat from Class 12 for Best Volleyball Player in the Girls category. Next, I call upon Master Sumit Chaudhary from Class 12 for Best Footballer in the Senior category. Next is Shivansh Malhotra from Class 7 for Best Footballer in the Senior category. Next, Yogendra Singh Meena from Class 6 for the Best Cricketer in the Junior category. Firstly, I call upon Drona Yadav from Class 7 for the Best Table Tennis Player in the Junior category. Next, Master Shivam Verma from Class 10 for Master Om Hansalia of Class 12 for Volleyball Under 19 State Player. Next is Ms. Niharika Rajawat from Class 12 for Best Volleyball Girl Player. Master Sumit Chaudhary for the Best Footballer in the Senior category. Next is Master Shivans Malhotra for Best Footballer in the Junior category. Up next, Master Yogendra Singh Meena from Class 6 for the Best Cricketer in the Junior category. Next, Master Hardik Grover from Class 6 for Best Table Tennis Player, Junior. Next, Ms. Ravina Bishnoi from Class 7 for Best Horse Rider, Junior Girl. Next, Ms. Kushi from Class 9 for Best Horse Rider in the Senior Girl category. Up next, Master Harshvardhan Singh Purawat from Class 8 for Best in the Band. Last but not the least, Master Rakshit Semlani from Class 10 for the Best in the Band.
Now is the result for 100-meter race for teachers and administrative staff. The third position is bagged by Mr. Saurabh Samantha. The second position is bagged by Mr. Vikram Sharma. And the first position is bagged by Mr. Vikrant Singh. Next is the result for women 50-meter race. The third position is bagged by Ms. Harshita. The second by The third position is bagged by Ms. Harshita, the second by Ms. Deepa, and the first by Ms. Neeta. Now is the announcement for subordinate staff for 100 meters. The third position is bagged by Mr. Anil Singh, the second position is by Mr. Deepak Singh, and the first position by Mr. Siraj. Today, as a token of our appreciation, we are pleased to present a cash prize to recognize the invaluable contributions of our subordinate staff. First, I invite Mr. Vikrant Singh, Security Officer from Lifeguard. Second, I invite Mr. Savara Lal, Electrician. Third, I invite Mr. Ramji Lal, Plumber. Fourth, I invite Mr. Dinesh Singh, Hostel Attendant of Senior Boys Hostel. Fifth, I invite Rahul Saini, Hostel Attendant of Junior Boarding House. Next, I invite Mr. Anil Kumar, Steward. Next, I invite Mr. Bharat Kumar, Assistant Cook. Next I invite Mr. Anil Singh, kite. Next I invite Mr. Ravindra Singh, groundman attendant. Last but not the least, I invite Mr. Rakesh Kumar, exam department attendant. Now is the announcement for the Best Athlete trophies for junior and senior categories, both girls and boys. From junior category girls, we have Samriddhi Gupta of Nilgiri House. From junior category boys, we have Ayush Kumar of Nilgiri House. The Best Athlete Award from senior category girls is Drishti Chauhan of Shivalik House. The Best Athlete for senior category boys is Yogesh Kumar of Aravali House.